How was the exam like for you? How did you approach, writing the answers? Any advices for the juniors there?
Ma'am, actually, we had a FAT in June 2024. At the time, I didn't prepare well. So, but some stat questions which we used to see on the CT and MRI consoles, we used to like pituitary adenoma, pulmonary edema. These are the common questions, common topics also which we used to do in clinic practice daily.
Yeah.
So then at that time I cleared that FAT exam. So
Hmm.
that gave me a boost, like what strategy I have to do in writing theory exams and everything. I used to have that PDF as my base, and then I used to include one image in every session of in every sheet of my answer in the 5 sheet. I used to try to follow that flow chart wale. You used to say that you should be giving presenting the answer in a very beautiful way. That flow charts and diagrams used to be
Yeah.
helpful, and examiner also want to see in a very strategic way. I
Yeah.
used to follow all the strategies only. Any Actually I couldn't complete all the videos,
Hmm.
but how much, like whatever the theory results showed, the results, no, ma'am, that is all because of e-conceptual radiology. It helped me in the very short span of time what we could get to study and everything.
Amazing. I mean, the app is also not meant to be completed, like PJ. This is something where the learning will always continue, Anytime you want to refer to something, you can go back and, see this. So that's how the idea is. So, the idea is not to have a crash course or, finish everything. It's ever evolving, ever growing. And, someday we'll have, people like you who will now come over to the other side as teachers and guide your juniors. So that's what the idea is, to have the learning continue always. So I am so proud of you, ma'am, and to see your journey, and you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I always get so inspired, seeing anybody in uniform and serving our country. So thank you so much.